Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia Lin, and on this channel you can find the best content about video marketing, social media tips and entrepreneurship. Today we are going to dive into TikTok. Today I'm going to talk about two elements which can boost your TikTok account massively. One is shareability and second is watch time.
Awesome!
So shareability actually means that your video is being shared by other TikTok accounts. That can be on the TikTok platform itself, but also on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and other social media platforms. And the more your video is shared, the TikTok algorithm will think this video is really good because people actually want to share it with all their friends, all their other networks. It just gives a signal to the TikTok algorithm like this video is really good because there are a lot of eyes on this video, and then it becomes a snowball effect, you know? For example, Lucy has watched your video, she is sharing it on her Instagram, on her Facebook channel, and all of her friends are watching your video. And if your video is that well, Lucy's friends will also share it on their social media platforms. So the more eyes your video gets, the better. Talking secondly about watch time. So if you can catch the attention of one person from beginning until end, that is perfect. But if they want to rewatch your video again, that's even better. That person is really interested in your videos, that's why he or she wants to rewatch your videos. And on all other social media platforms, watch time is super important. Also on YouTube, but same as well as on TikTok. And looking on my analytics, the more videos that has been shared and the more watch time I had, I also realized that these two elements are very important based on my own analytics, because I was watching on some viral videos of mine. These went viral because of shareability and watch time. I can show you in the next slides. Okay, looking at my best viewed videos, so this video has 135,800 views. So it has 254 shares and like almost 18k of likes, and the watch time is okay, but I think it is because of the shares. That's why my video has gained more than 100k views. And I got this video which has almost 150k views. And it has 38 shares, but it has like 10 seconds of watch time. This video has almost more than 200k views and it has a lot of shares, 392 shares, and a watch time of 26 seconds, which is a little bit more half than the actual video. But it also has a lot of likes, and because of the amount of shares, this video went quite well. Then I got this video. The shares are okay, it has like 23 shares, but the likes are okay, and also the comments. Because of the watch time of 9 seconds, which is quite well for a video of 9.30 seconds, this video also went quite well. It has 63 shares and people could watch this for 11 seconds, and the actual video is 40.58 seconds, so it is watched quite well, and because of a little bit of shares and quite some comments. So I think it is because of the comments that this video has been doing well. So in this video I'm talking about YouTube Shorts, and this video has been watched for 9 seconds and the actual video is 7.44. So people have rewatched this video, which is great, and they also shared this video, and I think they really wanted to let other people know about this fact. So this can be the reason. Yeah, it's because of the watch time. Give a thumbs up if this video has been valuable to you, and comment down below what your TikTok account is, and see you in my next video next Sunday. Bye bye!